So usually parents don't let their kids eat junk food. In my house, it is totally the opposite. My mom loves to eat Pizza McPuff from McDonald's, so today I thought I'll make it at home for her. Hi guys, I'm Bhumika. Let's learn how to make Pizza McPuff. Let's start by making the outer covering. We have 2 cups of all-purpose flour here. This is 1/4 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and salt to taste. Using your fingertips, start mixing the dough. You're looking for a sandy, crumbly texture. Once you have a sandy texture, start adding water little by little. Just use the tips of your fingers to bring the dough together. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes till it becomes nice and supple, and after that set it aside for 30 minutes. Now let's make the filling of our Pizza McPuff. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan. To this I'm adding 2 cloves of garlic, which is chopped. Once the garlic starts sizzling, add half a chopped onion. Along with this, we'll add 1 pinch of salt so that the onions soften properly. Once the onions go translucent, we'll add chopped carrots. This is half a chopped carrot and handful of sweet corn. Now we'll add 1 chopped tomato. Along with this, a little more salt. Now let's add some chopped capsicum into this. This is half a chopped capsicum. We want our veggies to be a little crunchy, so don't overcook them. Now let's season our filling with oregano. This is about 1 teaspoon of oregano, a little bit of red chilli powder, some red chilli sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 2 cubes of cream cheese, and salt to taste. If your cheese is really salty, then don't add too much salt. Let's give this a mix. Our saucy and cheesy filling is ready. Let's turn off the flame and we'll let this cool completely before using it. The dough is well rested. Let's roll it out now. Use a little bit of flour on your surface so that it doesn't stick. Roll out your dough really thin and then we'll cut it into rectangles. And then we'll cut it lengthwise. Now let's fill our Pizza McPuff. Take about 1.5 tablespoon of the filling and place it on one rectangle, and using the other rectangle just close it and press the edges together. And using a fork we'll crimp all the edges. If your edges are a little wavy, use your pizza cutter to clean it off. Our Pizza McPuff is now ready to fry, but I'm going to put it in the fridge for a while so that it doesn't have a lot of bubbling on the surface. So I'll go and do that now. So the oil has been heating for about 10 minutes at medium flame. Now we can fry our Pizza McPuff in it. If you want, you could also bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes till it turns golden brown. We'll fry it one at a time. The Pizza McPuff is now nice and golden brown. I'm going to take it off, drain off all the excess oil and place it on a paper towel. Now we'll fry the rest of them. Our Pizza McPuff is now ready. I'm going to go and surprise my mom with this hot Pizza McPuff. You also go try out this recipe, and when you do, let me know about your experience in the comment section below. Like this video and subscribe to Rajshri Food for more such recipes. See you next time.